Good evening, guys. Welcome to our Easy French classes. It's episode 17 this evening. We are on the 18th of February 2018. It's a magical Sunday evening, and I'm on the air once again to teach you easy French classes for beginners. In this lesson, we are going to concern ourselves with other possessive pronouns. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then kindly go back to episode 16, to just the previous episode, where I was mentioning the possessive adjectives that unfortunately I called them back then possessive pronouns, but they were actually possessive adjectives. Anyways, let's get on to this lesson and it will become more clear once we are on board. When the possessed object is of masculine gender singular, for example, I'm having, let's say, a notebook, and notebook in French language is masculine, then if I say it's mine, I would say c'est le mien. It's mine. So le mien, it means mine. In the same fashion, le tien, it means yours. C'est le tien. It's yours. Okay? So, next one. Le sien. It means his or hers. For example, c'est un stylo. C'est le sien. This is a pen. It's his or hers, depending on the context. Here you don't know, just based on this form, if the possessor is a female or a male. So, le sien, it means his or hers. C'est un stylo, c'est le sien. This is a pen, it's his or hers. Okay, le mien, le tien, le sien. Next, le nôtre. Pay attention to this accent, circumflex accent on the O. Le nôtre, it means ours. Le vôtre, it means yours. Le leur, it means theirs. Okay. Le nôtre, le vôtre, le leur. Next category. When the possessed object is of feminine gender singular. So it's just like before, but when I'm saying now it's mine, but what is mine is of feminine gender. For example, I have an umbrella, and umbrella is of feminine gender. I would say j'ai une parapluie. I have an umbrella. C'est la mienne. It's mine, meaning that it's my umbrella, it's mine, and that's why, because the possessed object umbrella is feminine, here it's the feminine version of this possessive pronoun, la mienne, it's mine. Next, la tienne, it's yours. Again, let's say an umbrella is yours because it's feminine gender, the umbrella, and that's why it's la tienne, it's yours. La sienne, it means it's hers. La nôtre, it's ours. La vôtre, it's yours. Second person plural. The possessor in this case is second person plural. And the possessed object is just feminine singular. La vôtre, yours. For example, umbrella. It's your umbrella, it's yours. But you're a bunch of guys, let's say. Okay. La leur, it's theirs. It means theirs. For example, c'est une parapluie. This is an umbrella. As you can see, it's feminine gender. C'est la leur. It's theirs. Okay. Next one. When the possessed object is of masculine gender plural. For example, let's give this example with les miens. Ceux-ci sont des pantalons. These are some trousers, or just trousers. This one, some, is just in parentheses. These are trousers. Ceux-ci sont des pantalons. Ce sont les miens. They are mine. As you can see, the possessed object is plural, masculine plural, because you have masculine plural here, the possessed object, and the possessor, it's just me. So I say les miens. They are mine. Les miens. Let me color it beautifully. Les miens. It means mine. They are mine. Ce sont les miens. Okay. Ceci. It means this. And it stands, it's a demonstrative pronoun, it stands for actually a plural noun, masculine. Exactly this one is a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, that stands for this noun, which is masculine plural. But we're going to tackle the demonstrative pronouns in future lessons, so let's just forget it for now. Just you can memorize if you want this new vocabulary, but don't worry too much about it right now. Ce sont les miens. They are mine. Okay. Next. Les tiens. For example, ces pantalons. Ce sont les tiens. These trousers. They are yours. Les siens. C'est, for example, ces cahiers, these notebooks. Ce sont les siens. These notebooks, they are his. These notebooks, they are his or hers, depending on the context. Next, les nôtres. Les nôtres. For example, ces pantalons, ce sont les nôtres. These trousers, they are ours. Next, les vôtres, it means yours. Ces pantalons, ce sont les vôtres. Ce sont les vôtres. These trousers, they are yours. So the possessor here, it's you guys, second person plural. While the possessed object is masculine plural. Here it's the possessed object, pantalon, and the possessor is second person plural, les vôtres, yours, they are yours. Let's color this in congruent colors. And les blue, just like pantalon, because this one is referenced by this one. Actually, pantalon, this noun, trousers, they are being referenced, pointed to, by this possessive pronoun over here. By this, by this fragment of this possessive pronoun, because the possessive pronoun is the whole stuff over here. But this fragment, les, it corresponds to pantalon, and votre corresponds to yours. From here, this is the code of colors. Like I colored in the same color parts of the sentence that are semantically corresponding or related. Okay, les vôtres, ces pantalons, ce sont les vôtres. These trousers, they are yours. Next one, Les leurs, theirs, for example. Les chemins, ce sont les leurs. The path, they are theirs. For example, if you're in a forest and the forest is a private property of, I don't know, Bill Gates, and you see some roads, some paths in the forest, the path, they belong to them, to the owners of the forest. So the owners, it's here in plural, and the possessed object, the path, is also actually masculine plural. So that's why les chemins, ce sont les leurs, the paths, they are theirs. Okay. Next category. And I think this is, yeah, it should be the last one for today. When the possessed object is of feminine gender, plural. Les miennes, it means mine, but bearing in mind that the possessed object is feminine plural. Les tiennes, yours. Les siennes, his or hers. Les nôtres, ours. Les vôtres, yours. Les leurs, theirs. For example, if I have two girls, I would say j'ai deux filles. I have two girls. Celles... no, actually, let's make it impersonal. Ce sont les miennes. I have two girls. They are mine. Meaning they are my girls. Ce sont les miennes. Les tiennes, les siennes, les nôtres, ours, les vôtres, yours, les leurs, theirs. Okay. Now, a bunch of concrete examples that I'm gonna skim through quite, well, not so fast, but still we're not gonna lose too much time over it, because I'm going to continue it anyways in the next episode. So, let's start. C'est un stylo vert. C'est le mien. It's a green pen. It's mine. C'est un stylo vert. C'est le mien. It's a green pen. Stylo, it means pen, and vert, it means green. It's a green pen. C'est un stylo vert. It's a green pen. And c'est le mien, it means it's mine. Let's color it in just one congruent color. C'est le mien. It's mine. Okay, this one is the same as this one. This one, the same as this one. Okay. Next. Ce cahier sur la table. Ce cahier sur la table. Est-ce que c'est le tien? Forgot a question mark. This notebook on the table. Is it yours? Ce cahier sur la table. Est-ce que c'est le tien? This notebook on the table. Is it yours? Next one. Mon frère est gentil. My brother is kind. Mais le sien est mal élevé. But his is ill-educated. Meaning his brother. Le sien, his, is ill-educated. Est mal élevé. Est mal élevé means is ill-educated or poorly educated. Mon frère est gentil, mais le sien est mal élevé. Also notice how you pronounce this. Élevé. Élevé means educated, but mal élevé, it means ill educated, because mal, it means ill in this case. Okay, let's move on to next one. Votre enfant joue dans la rue, mais le nôtre écrit ses devoirs. Your kid plays in the street, but ours writes his home assignments. Okay. Next one. Notre devoir est de défendre cet objectif, mais le vôtre est de l'empêcher. Let's read it out loud once again. Notre devoir est de défendre cet objectif, mais le vôtre est de l'empêcher. Our duty is to protect this goal, but yours is to hinder it. Notre devoir, it means our duty. Est de défendre, is to protect. Cet objectif, this goal. Mais le vôtre, but yours, est de l'empêcher, is to hinder it. Empêcher, it means to hinder, to prevent from happening, for example. Ok, notre devoir est de défendre cet objectif, mais le vôtre est de l'empêcher. Next one. Notre ami est venu hier, mais le leur est venu ce matin. Our friend came yesterday, but theirs came this morning. Notre ami, our friend, est venu hier, came yesterday. Mais le leur, but theirs, est venu ce matin, came this morning. Okay, let's go forward. Ta copine est jolie. Your girlfriend is nice. Ta copine est jolie. Your girlfriend is nice. Mais la mienne est encore plus jolie. But mine is even nicer. Encore plus jolie, it means even nicer. Encore plus jolie, even nicer. Ta copine est jolie, mais la mienne est encore plus jolie. Your girlfriend is nice, but mine is even nicer. Ok. Ma parapluie est perdue, mais la tienne est sur la table. My umbrella is lost. Perdu, it means lost. Perdu, lost. Mais la tienne, but yours, is on the table. Sur la table, on the table. Okay, guys. This is the end of the lesson for today. For private classes via Skype or Google Hangouts, you can email me at petronius.popa@gmail.com. I repeat, for private classes via Skype or Google Hangouts, you can email me to petronius.popa@gmail.com, stating in the subject of your email, interested in private French classes with Flavian. Okay, I'm wrapping up for today. See you next time. Have a nice week ahead. Bye bye.